How to add a series of numbers in Excel. Have you ever had the need to print the ordinal numbers in a column or row? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel in which we want to do it. I will open a new one, just for example. Type the number 1 in the field you want. Now that you've done that, you need to press the next series of keys. Press and hold all the time. Next, press H, then F. The next letter is I at the end of S. If you have done everything as you should see a window like this. Here we can select series by row or column. Since in this example we want the serial numbers to be per column, we select that option. At the very bottom, we will choose how many series we need. I'll put from 1 to 100. When you've done all that, just press the OK button and that's it. As you can see, a series of numbers is printed in a column. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.